TVET education and to use TVET education to really drive down your high youth unemployment.
There's a challenge, a disconnect between the world where it's at now and our education system. A total disconnect, because we have many jobs and we have many graduates, but they cannot match. So we have jobs without people and people without jobs. That's the reality of the system we now have. Because the current education system was designed to train people for one of three places: the factory, the farm, and the university. The factory job disappeared over the years, so did the farm jobs. New manufacturing and what they call distribution, logistics jobs emerged, but we didn't do much to change the system. So there's a disconnect between the workplace. So I want to challenge us that in our thinking, we need to stop defining sectors for careers and start defining clusters. Because if you train people for a job, the job gets redundant over time. You remember you had a job by the name of long distance telephone operator? That was a very good job, wasn't it? Where are those today? Cell phone have replaced them. And you can go on and go on. Let me just be quick.